Now, in the previous concept video for this slide, we discussed the disadvantages of commercial batteries or commercial cells. Now, I need to discuss two important parameters. What should a commercial battery really require? What are the qualities of a commercial battery? So, this is once again lecture 9 PU part electrochemistry, slide number 5. First of all, a commercial battery should have compactness and it should have its lightness and ruggedness. Means it can be roughly handled, there is no major damage for the battery. For the purpose of portability. Like today, if you see Everready or Duracell, whichever shop you visit, you will get it very easily because it's being sold, it's being transported very easily. It is being that also is very, very important. And second one is it should be economically priced. Of course, economically priced means you see there are different batteries in the market, starting from small to bigger batteries. So, in these batteries also there are various companies who is producing this battery. So, cost effective is very important. Number 3, its voltage should not drop. Its voltage should not drop much during its usage. Much during its usage. That means what I can say is drop in the voltage should be negligible over small interval of time. During which it is being put to use. So, these are the 3 important requirements for a commercial battery to exist and to be successfully sold in the market.